If you suspect major deficiency of antibodies in a person, to which of the following would you look for confirmatory evidence? The correct answer will be option A, serum globulins. Because serum globulins contain antibodies which are called immunoglobulin. If there is a deficiency in antibodies, there will be a low concentration of globulin, that is immunoglobulin, in the serum. So the answer is option A, serum globulin. Whereas coming to option A, fibrinogen in plasma, it is involved in blood clotting, not antibodies. So option B is an incorrect answer. Option C, serum albumin. So serum albumins are the most abundant protein in plasma and help with maintaining the osmotic pressure. So option C is an incorrect answer. Option D, hemocytes. So hemocytes refers to the blood cells which are not directly related to measuring antibody levels. So option D is also incorrect. The answer is option A, serum globulin.